Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you a couple of historical Bitcoin videos and talk about fear and uncertainty in the market currently and where Bitcoin price could potentially go. And before I start, I want to say thank you guys for watching me, more and more people joining my channel, so thank you guys for all your support. Now as Bitcoin trading is about 20k, it's in extreme fear now. It's 19th of the year. It was even about like 6 or 7 during this period of time. And I just simply want to remind you how it was looking back in like 213 and even earlier. Just like check how people were happy to
right
see
here
some small
watching
amounts.
history be made. Bitcoin is now up to $111. It's an all-time high and it's continuing to rise. I've seen it break 3 times today. It went up to 110 and this is the highest that it's been. It's ridiculous. Last trade, 189 Bitcoin for $111 piece. That's amazing to me. I mean, just look at this graph. You see this graph? That's the last 3 hours. Give me a second.
Yeah, it's very even funny to watch it like now in 2022 in like only 9 years. And here it's like very important not to sell it, and especially in the situation like back in like pretty much the same actually period of time in June, but 2011 it was a crash for Bitcoin from $17 to 1 cent only. And just like look how it was even
Good afternoon,
looking
everyone. Time for another
with
Bitcoin report.
like this program.
You are watching a crash in real time. We are down to 4.8, 4.6, 4.5, 4.4. I've been watching this since about 17. I've not seen a single uptick in this market. It's going straight down. I would be fascinated to know what news is associated with this. I'm sure we're going to find out. 3.5, 3.3, 3.2, and 3.1. Well, I'm all broken up about my $99. The main thing I'm broken up about is I could have had...
Yeah, here's worrying about his $99 investment when it was like about $17. Maybe he bought it on the peak in $70, who knows?
So we're going to see how low this thing goes. We're down to 2.2. And it looks like the Mt. Gox feed crashed. We are still crashing. We're at 2. And
that time Bitcoin crashed to 1 cent during this period of time. It was a flash crash. And imagine how people
1.3. Looks like we're going to go under $1. Reds. And here we go. We lost the Mt. Gox feed again. We still have not seen one buy. We're down to 12 cents, 11 cents, 10 cents. Wow, this is it. Feed gone again. We are down to 10 cents. We're down to 9 cents, 6 cents. We are going 5 cents. We are down to, wow. I don't know what this means, people. We are down to 1 cent. There's still no buying. Could the critics have been correct? Has the system been hacked?
Yeah, then it went like back for a couple of dollars, but just imagine how fearful it was during that period of time. And it seems like it was like ridiculous price, but it was only 11 years ago. It's every time Bitcoin crashing, people feeling pretty much the same. It will continue in like 5 years, like, and later on people will be like reacting in the same way with all those all-time highs and feeling happy, and with all those crashes which will definitely will continue. And it's about all the markets. And even, you know, in this video, then like this person is checking the forums and wanted to know like why it's happening and how it's like, also how look like those forums. It's very like funny to see where he's like going and checking the information. Now it's completely different if it's only like 11 years from that period of time. And who knows, maybe in like 10 years this video is going to be also the historical, and Bitcoin will like cost 2 million this period of time. We never know. And people will think that those prices are ridiculous and the best buying opportunities. No one knows what's going to happen, but looking historically, and there is also the video where like one person was talking about buying, like just buy the Bitcoin for $1, but I just don't know if was it going like before this deep or not. But if it was costing like 1 cent, it was about like 100 Bitcoin for $1. In this case, yeah, you're ridiculously rich. People will definitely will still be in the fear during this period of time. We didn't know how long it continue, but in general there are a lot of Bitcoin maximalists in the space, and a lot of institutions are just jumping, and it's a lot of bad news during like those days. And you know, it's like historically it's same happening, and we could find more other videos saying like that Bitcoin is crashing to zero and something like that. But if you are looking all this history, and it's definitely like repeats, I am thinking that Bitcoin could like reach 100k, like 300k, even 1 million. So, and I don't think you need to, like, I'm not personally will sell my Bitcoin, like try to not sell it during this like bull market going on. Maybe in upcoming 5 years we will see how it's going to happen. Because, you know, even with those like videos I show you like with $100 for Bitcoin and 1 cent for Bitcoin, 17 like dollars for Bitcoin, the most importantly is just to hold it. Even you saw this crash from $17 to 1 cent, what's important, just to hold and be like very patient. It's the most important here. Just like hold, maybe take your Bitcoin out of the exchange and put it in the some safer place, and that's it. So we will see like how it goes, and maybe like long term this video will be also interesting to watch with those prices of Bitcoin. So yeah, it is all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.